Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. That's a long way down. And it only gets worse from here. Now I gotta worry about the freaking birds. The boys. Yeah, dude, don't let go. Don't look down. Don't do that. That's my job. Let me be terrified for you. Oh, it's really gonna make us climb up that? I would not climb up that. Okay, here we go. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no. Slowly but surely, eh? You really had to climb all the way to the tippy top, huh? I bet it's freezing up there. Crystal clear, ladies.
Okay.
Crystal
the tower
clear
should
radio
boost the signal from the transmitter.
Okay.
All right, find the emergency channel and get a clear signal on your radio before you broadcast the SOS. Hey, we got everything crossed for you down here, LC.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks for doing my job. Oh, I see.
Mayday! Mayday! This is Lara Croft of the Endurance. We are stranded on an island in the Dragon's Triangle. We need help and medical supplies. Please respond. Come on.
Please?
Mayday! Mayday! This is Lara Croft of the Endurance.
This is aircraft Nautilus 177 Alpha. Searching for you since the distress call from your vessel. Almost giving up hope.
So had we.
Oh,
got
asshole.
your approximate position, but we could sure
Should've
use a
kept looking
visual.
for me. I'm Laura freaking
I'll
Croft.
figure something out.
We'll be heading your way soon. Out.
Lara Croft, you are my hero! Hey, you know, Reyes actually just cracked a smile.
Right.
We're going home.
Need a signal. A fire. Fuel, flames. I can do that.
It's gonna be hard to find in this cold, though. In this snowstorm. Alright, let's go. Whee!
That's one way to get down.
For sure. An epic way to get down. I wouldn't trust the wire myself, but if you do. Video game world. Aha! Soak the ground.
Find a way to light this fuel.
Soak my boots. What if I shoot it? GTA rules. Nah. I won't waste my ammo. What is this? Screwdriver. And a torch. Nice.
This should do the trick.
So did you not just light a torch? Cool. Oh, that totally should have just burned right under my feet, but that's cool. Ah! Sorry, I don't know why that scared me. That was the obvious thing that was going to happen. Struck by lightning, yeah. No leaves in Japanese, that's crazy. Yikes, what an event. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa! Where are we going next? Sliding through. Oh gosh. Getting a little tight. Yikes. Here comes the plane! Nice. Cliffside Village. Hey, the pilot survived.
The pilot. I have to get to him.
Swing. Swing. Uh-oh. Fun's not over. Oh, let's go, Laura. Oh, Laura! Good save. Whoa. I guess not. Keep going, Laura. Oh, gosh, big leap. Alright. Nice.
What the hell? Go away! Get off of me!
Go away. No!
Lara, you there?
Oh, shucks. Nope, but I got a bow. That's too slow. Get dinked on, buddy. That sucks for the pilot. Cliffside Vista.
What the hell happened?
This storm, it came out of nowhere. These clouds, they just surrounded the plane.
Lara, listen. I saw the crash from here, so you must be close to my position. Just get back here safe.
All right.
What do we do now? Regroup with Roth. Uh-oh.
Over here! I got her in my sights!
Yikes. Get away from me. Get away. Ooh. Can I tie that to my bowstring? Make a retrievable arrow? Ooh, okay. Rope arrows. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. I like the different, the symbol for that to show the difference. Pull that bad boy down. Pull that bad boy down. Ouch. Okay. Peek it, peek it, peek it. Peek it, peek it, peek it. Can I make that jump? I don't think so.
Got to be a way out.
Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. Do I go no, I clearly go this way. Alright, another rope situation. And we're trusting this. Epic. That's very cool. I like that they give you new ways to travel around and then they actually use them. I feel like you could have just opened the door on that one, but that's cool. Mountain Village. And we're sliding again. Your boots have no grip, Laura. Roth!
I'm really glad you moved.
You and me both, girl.
One moment they were fine, the next, there was this storm. It came out of nowhere.
It's not your fault, Laura.
I called them here, Roth.
Hey, we'll find another way.
Mayday, mayday. This is co-pilot Jessica Bear.
Another pilot.
177A.
Hello?